This is B. Nagaraju, Government Degree College, Kurutla, Contract Faculty in Botany. Today my topic name is Special Type of Chromosomes. Special type of chromosomes. Some tissues of certain organisms contain chromosome which differs significantly from normal chromosomes. So in term either morphology or function. Such chromosomes are referred to as special chromosomes. The following are included under this category. So they are giant chromosomes or polytene chromosomes. So these are first discovered by E.G. Balbiani in 1882 in dipteron salivary glands and hence commonly called salivary gland chromosomes. So these chromosomes is also called as salivary gland chromosomes because E.G. Balbiani first time discovered these chromosomes in the order of dipteron salivary glands. So that's why these chromosomes are also called as salivary gland chromosomes. And these chromosomes replicate repeatedly. So these chromosomes replicated repeatedly. The daughter chromatids do not separate from the another and the cell also does not divide. So these chromosomes do not separate from one another and the cell also does not divide. So this phenomena is known as endomitosis or endoreduplication. Endomitosis or endoreduplication. So it results in the formation of many standard giant chromosomes known as polytene chromosomes, and the condition is known as polyteny. The condition is known as polyteny. And their size 200 times or more than normal somatic chromosomes. So what is the size? What is the size of normal somatic chromosomes of these giant chromosome? So their size 200 times more than normal somatic chromosomes. So are autosomes, and hence they are known as giant chromosomes. Hence they are known as giant chromosomes. So these are the special type of chromosomes. So these are the giant chromosome. So they are the looking in the diagram, these are the chromosome puffs and dark bands and light bands and interbands. So these are the rings are we are looking these rings are called as Balbiani rings. So why? So the name came from the first time these scientist E.G. Balbiani observed these rings. So that's why these rings are called as Balbiani rings. So this is the giant chromosome or polytene chromosome. So now see the second type of special type of chromosome. So that is called as Lamb-Brush chromosome. So these were first discovered by the W. Fleming in 1882. Were discovered in the detail in oocyte of sharks by Ricketts in 1882. Okay, so it's the first time discovered by the W. Fleming, and described and were described by the in details in oocytes of sharks by Ruckarts in 1892, and they occur at diplotin stage. So what is the stage of diplotin? Stage of meiotic phase, so in oocytes of all animal species. So since so they are found in meiotic phase, they are present in the form of bivalent, in which the material and paternal chromosomes are held together by chiasmata at those sites where crossing over has previously occurred. So each bivalent has 4 chromatids. How many chromatids? 4 chromatids, and 2 in each homologous. The axis of each homolog consists of a row of granule or chromosomes, each of which have 2 loops like lateral extension, one for each chromatid. Thus, each loop represents one chromatid of chromosome and is composed of one DNA double helix. So, one end of each loop is thinner than other, which is known as thickened, and there is extensive RNA synthesis at thin ends of loop, while there is a little or no RNA synthesis at thick ends. So these are the special type of chromosome. So these are the Lamb-Rush chromosomes. So they are the loops. So in the diagram we are observing in that these are the loops, these are the axis, both side loops. So this type of chromosome looking like a cleaning brush. Okay, so that's why this chromosome is called as Lamb-Rush chromosomes. So another type of chromosome is another special type of chromosome is accessory chromosomes. So in many species, some chromosomes are found in additional to normal somatic chromosomes. So these extra chromosomes are called accessory chromosome or B chromosome or supernumeric chromosome. So these chromosomes are called B chromosomes or supernumeric chromosomes. And these chromosomes are broadly similar to normal somatic chromosomes in their morphology, but have peculiar function aspects. So for instance, presence of several such chromosomes often leads to reduction in vigor and fertility males. These chromosomes are generally smaller size than normal somatic complements. So they are believed to be generally inactive genetically. Origin of these chromosomes is most species unknown. So these are the accessory chromosomes. So these are the B chromosomes in this diagram. So these are the short chromosomes or B chromosomes or accessory chromosomes. These are the B chromosomes. Thank you.